Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best power banks you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Shargeek 170 is a high-performance portable charging solution, ideal for tech enthusiasts and professionals who require reliable power on the go. With an impressive 24,000 mAh capacity and a maximum output of 170 watts, it is designed to charge multiple devices, including power-hungry gadgets like laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The 24,000 mAh capacity allows the Shargeek 170 to charge devices multiple times before needing a recharge. Its 170-watt maximum output is distributed across 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, enabling simultaneous charging of up to 3 devices. The Powerbank's fast charging capability, powered by Power Delivery 3.1 technology, ensures rapid charging for compatible devices, with the USB-C ports delivering up to 140 watts, suitable for charging laptops. The charger features a smart OLED display that provides real-time updates on battery status, charging time, and output-input wattage, enhancing usability and control. Its transparent design adds a modern tech-savvy aesthetic while highlighting the internal components. Additionally, with an IP66 rating, the Powerbank is resistant to dust and water splashes, making it ideal for outdoor use. The Shargeek 170 is a reliable and powerful option for those seeking a high-capacity portable charger with advanced features. Its fast charging, multi-device compatibility, and durable water-resistant design make it a worthwhile investment for serious users who need performance on the go. The Anker A1647, also known as PowerCore 24K, is a high-capacity portable charger with a massive 24,000 mAh battery, making it ideal for users who need consistent power on the go. Equipped with Power Delivery 3.1 technology, it delivers rapid charging with up to 140-watt output, enabling users to power laptops, smartphones, tablets, and other high-demand devices quickly. This feature makes the Anker A1647 particularly useful for travelers, commuters, and outdoor enthusiasts who rely on their devices throughout the day. The Powerbank Smart Digital Display offers real-time information on output and input power and estimates recharge time, allowing users to monitor the charging process more effectively. With 3 ports, including 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, the Anker A1647 allows simultaneous charging of up to 3 devices, adding flexibility and convenience. Despite its large capacity, the device is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in a bag or backpack. Its durable design ensures it can withstand typical wear and tear, while textured grips provide better handling. Performance reviews praise the Powerbank's efficiency, with many users noting its ability to charge laptops such as the MacBook Air multiple times before needing a recharge. Additionally, the Powerbank meets TSA regulations, making it airplane safe. With its combination of power, portability, and versatility, the Anker A1647 is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable and powerful charging solution. The INIU portable charger with a capacity of 20,000 mAh and a maximum output of 22.5 watt is a powerful and affordable option for users seeking reliable charging on the go. Its large battery capacity allows it to charge most smartphones multiple times, making it ideal for travelers, commuters, or anyone who relies heavily on their devices. For example, the INIU charger can fully recharge an iPhone 12 Pro up to 3 times before it needs to be recharged itself. One of its standout features is its fast charging capability. With 22.5-watt fast charging support, it can boost a device like the iPhone up to 52% in just 25 minutes, significantly reducing downtime for users. The Powerbank features 3 output ports, 1 USB-C port that doubles as both an input and output, and 2 USB-A ports, allowing users to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The Powerbank also includes a user-friendly LCD screen that displays the remaining battery percentage, providing real-time information that is more accurate than traditional LED indicators. Despite its high capacity, it maintains a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry in bags or pockets. Additional features include TempGuard 2.0, which monitors temperature and ensures safe charging, as well as a built-in flashlight for emergencies. Its safety features, fast charging, and robust design make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile power bank, especially travelers who need multiple charges on the go. The UGreen Powerbank is a robust and high-capacity portable charger designed for users who require reliable power for multiple devices. With a 25,000 mAh battery capacity and a maximum output of 145 watt, it is ideal for charging modern smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other power-hungry gadgets. This power bank is particularly well suited for users on the go who need fast, efficient charging solutions. Key features of this charger include its impressive power output. It has two USB-C ports, one capable of delivering up to 100 watt and the other up to 45 watt, along with an 18 watt USB-A port. This configuration allows the power bank to charge several devices at once, with a combined output of up to 145 watt when both USB-C ports are in use. The power bank also supports fast recharging, taking about 2 hours to fully recharge itself using a 65 watt input. The UGreen Powerbank offers versatile charging options. It can fast charge laptops like the MacBook Pro, smartphones such as the iPhone or Galaxy series, and accessories like cameras and drones. With built-in safety features such as protection against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, users can trust its safe and reliable operation during charging. In terms of performance, the UGreen Powerbank can fully charge an iPhone about 5.6 times, a Galaxy S23 Ultra 3 times, and a MacBook Pro 1.3 times. Its sleek design, coupled with an LED digital display that shows real-time battery status, makes it user-friendly and efficient for everyday use. While slightly heavier than some alternatives, it remains an excellent choice for travelers and professionals who need fast portable power on demand. The Mophie PowerStation with power delivery is a portable and efficient charging solution, ideal for users needing reliable power on the go. With a capacity of 10,000 mAh, it can provide up to 2.1 full charges for smartphones, making it a great companion for daily commutes, travel, or outdoor adventures. Its compact size and lightweight design allow it to fit easily into bags or pockets, offering convenience without added bulk. One of its standout features is its 18-watt USB-C power delivery port, which enables fast charging for compatible devices. This port can charge a device up to 50% in just 30 minutes, making it perfect for users who need quick top-ups during busy schedules. In addition to the USB-C port, the PowerStation includes a USB-A port, allowing users to charge two devices simultaneously, such as a smartphone and a tablet. The Powerbank features a built-in 4-light LED indicator that displays the remaining battery life and charging status, ensuring users are always aware of the Powerbank status. Its premium fabric finish not only enhances its stylish appearance, but also protects the device from scuffs and scratches, maintaining its sleek look even after prolonged use. With pass-through charging capabilities, you can charge both the Powerbank and your devices at the same time. Its durable construction, fast charging technology, and versatile port options make the Mophie PowerStation a reliable and user-friendly choice for anyone needing portable power.